Hey friends, welcome back to my channel techgitter. In today's video we are going to tell you about IRS Form 1040. Filling out IRS Form 1040 reports your income, claims deductions, and calculates your tax liability. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you complete Form 1040 for your tax return. Step 1. Provide personal information. Name and address. At the top of the form, enter your full name, address, and Social Security number, SSN. If you are married and filing jointly, enter your spouse's name and SSN. Filing status. Choose your filing status. There are 6 options. Single. Married filing jointly. Married filing separately. Head of household. Qualifying surviving spouse. If treating a non-resident alien or dual status. Step 2. Report your income. Line 1A. Total amount from Forms W-2, Box 1, see instructions. Line 2A. Tax-exempt interest. Line 3. Qualified dividends. Line 4A. IRA distributions. Line 5A. Pensions and annuities. Line 6A. Social Security benefits. Step 3. Adjustments to income. Line 10. Adjustments to income from Schedule 1, Line 26. Step 4. Claim your deductions. Line 12. Standard deduction or itemized deductions from Schedule A. Line 13. Qualified business income deduction from Form 8995 or Form 8995A. Step 5. Calculate your taxable income. Line 15. Subtract line 14 from line 11. If 0 or less, enter tired face. This is your taxable income. Step 6. Calculate your tax. Line 16. Use the IRS tax tables, included with the form instructions, or tax software to determine your tax based on your taxable income. The amount is your initial tax liability before any credits. Line 17. This is the amount of tax you owe based on your taxable income. Step 7. Claim tax credits. Line 19. Child tax credit or credit for other dependents from Schedule 8812. Step 8. Additional taxes, if applicable. Line 23. If applicable, add any additional taxes, such as self-employment tax, additional tax on IRAs or retirement plans, household employment taxes. These amounts are reported on Schedule 2. Step 9. Payments. Line 25. Enter the total federal income tax withheld as shown on your W-2s and 1099 forms. Line 26. If you made any estimated tax payments, include them here. Line 27. Enter any other payments or refundable credits, such as the Earned Income Credit, EIC, or Additional Child Tax Credit. Step 10. Determine refund or amount owed. Line 34. If the total of your payments and credits exceeds your tax liability, you are due a refund. Enter the refund amount. Line 37. If your tax liability exceeds your payments, you will owe money. Enter the amount you owe here. Step 11. Sign and file the form. Sign the form. Both you and your spouse, if filing jointly, must sign and date the form. Direct deposit information. If you're owed a refund, you can provide your bank account number and routing number to receive your refund via direct deposit. Mailing the form. If filing by paper, mail the completed Form 1040 to the IRS address listed in the form instructions. Alternatively, you can file your return electronically, e-file, for faster processing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Your support means a lot. Have a wonderful day.